USA Stock News, November 12, 2025. 1. Atlanta Fed President Bostic said inflation remains a more definite and urgent risk. 2. The 50-year mortgage idea has cooled down. The FHFA director now proposes a transferable mortgage plan. 3. Trump wrote to the Israeli president, calling for the pardon of Netanyahu, which was criticized as disrespectful to the Israeli judicial system. 4. Traders are preparing for the release of economic data, increasing their bets that the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield will fall below 4% within a few weeks. 5. The White House said the highly anticipated October employment and CPI data may never be released. 6. The safe haven status of U.S. and European government bonds is shaken. In the eyes of capital, the credit of established enterprises is better than that of sovereigns. 7. The director of the White House National Economic Council said that the U.S. is considering using Section 301 and Section 122 as alternative tariff options. 8. The U.S. hopes to start easing flight restrictions within a week after the government shutdown ends. 9. The U.S. Treasury Secretary hinted that the structure of Treasury bond issuance will be gradually changed to respond to changes in investor demand. 10. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond was 4.074% at auction, higher than the level before the auction. 11. The EU plans to launch a new investigation into Google, involving the ranking of news agencies. 12. White House National Economic Council Director, Hassett. The Fed may cut interest rates by 25% instead of 50%. 13. European stocks continued to rise, supported by corporate earnings reports, closing at a new record high.